We have done, we are doing some problems in limits and continuity. I told you this chapter is a new chapter. You have to be very, very thorough with this chapter, sir. Most important. Okay, wherever is possible, we are applying. Okay, I gave one formula, so I am writing here. Sin theta by theta, limit theta tends to 0 is equal to 1. Similarly, limit theta tends to 0, sin a theta by theta is equal to a. Means a theta is there, a will come. Limit theta tends to 0, tan theta by theta is 1. Limit theta tends to 0, tan a theta by a, theta is equal to a. This formula, sir. Next, limit x tends to 0, e power x minus 1 by x is equal to 1. Limit x tends to 0, a power x minus 1 by x is log a. Okay, we will be applying these models for this problem, sir. So, these formulas you have to remember. Okay, so wherever is possible, we will apply this formula. Wherever is not required, we will not find out this. Okay, right. Next, first problem. Limit x tends to 1, 2x plus 1 by 3x square minus 4x plus 5. So, x is equal to 1, 2 plus 1 by 3 minus 4 plus 5. Simply I have to put x is equal to 1. So, 3 by 4. Okay, we have done these type of models. Again I am repeating. Now, look at here. Limit x tends to 0, x cos x. Now, limit x tends to 0, sin ax by x into cos x. Now, what I am doing? Ax by x into 1 by cos x. Limit x tends to 0, limit x tends to 0. I gave one formula. Sin a theta by theta is equal to a. Whether theta is there or x is there, it is the same formula. Instead of theta, x is there. So, this is what, sir? A into 1 by cos 0. What is the cos 0 value? 1. From trigonometry, what is the cos 0 value? 1. So, this becomes a. So, what we have to do? We have to apply this concept. Next, limit theta tends to 0, cos 5x. So, what will happen now? So, x tends to 0. I will separate them. Sin 8x by x into limit x tends to 0, 1 by cos 5x. Again, sin a theta by a is what? Theta is equal to what, sir? A. That is 8. 1 by cos 0. You know very well, cos 0 value 1. Okay. This type of problems are very, very important. Okay. Now, one more problem. Look at next one. Sin of x minus 1 by x square minus 1, x tends to 1. What I am doing here? Observe here. X tends to 1. So, sin of x minus 1 by a square minus b square, a minus b into a plus b. What I have done? X minus 1 by x minus 1 into x plus 1. So, this can be written as sin of x minus 1 by x minus 1, limit x tends to 1 into limit x tends to 1, 1 by x plus 1. It is nothing but x is equal to 1 or x minus 1 is equal to 0. Again, it is the same formula. Sin theta by theta is what, sir? Sin theta by theta is 1. So, this is 1 into 1 by 1 plus 1. That is 1 by 2. So, formula application, sir. Please note down this. Next. Next. A power x by b power x, limit x tends to 0. So, I am writing this. A power x minus 1 by x, b power x minus 1 by x, limit x tends to 0. Again, x and x will get cancelled this. Now, we know this formula is log a. What is the formula here? Log b. We have written a power x minus 1 by x is what, sir? Log a. Here b is there, log b will come. So, we are multiplying and dividing by x, sir. Here also we are dividing, here also we are dividing. So that will get cancelled. Okay, this is very, very important. Next one. Limit x tends to 0, sine of ax by sine of bx. Now what I have done? Sine of ax by sine of bx. So this can be written ax by x. Similarly, sine bx by x. So limit x tends to 0, limit x tends to 0. This is a, this is b. I told you sine ax by x is what, sir? A. Sine bx by x is what? B. So you should know the formula. Once you know the formula, the answers will be very, very easy. Next, x tends to 0, so e power x by minus 1. Observe here. So first what I will do, rationalize the denominator, plus 1. What I have done? Rationalize the denominator. I am not writing limits. Now I will write the limit. So this becomes what? E power x minus 1 into root of plus 1 by this a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square whole square minus 1 square. So e power x minus 1, this will be plus 1 by this square root will go 1 plus x minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 will get cancelled. Now I am separating them by x into root of plus 1. Put a limit, x tends to 0, limit x tends to 0. What is x tends to 0? E power x minus by 1, it is 1 into root of 1 plus 0 plus 1. So this is 1 into 2 because 1 plus 1 is 2. So what is the answer? So here we rationalize, then substitute. Means we are converting into our standard formulas. Please note down. Now everybody please go through this video, sir, as many times. Only new chapters are. Okay, every problem is important. Ikkada meek concepts anni careful ga chuskoవాలి sir. Next. Root of 1 plus x minus 1 by x. X is equal to 0. If you put x is equal to 0, root 1 minus 1 by 0. 0 by 0 is coming. So what I will do? Rationalize the numerator now into by x into root of 1 plus x plus 1. In the previous one we have rationalized denominator, we are rationalizing numerator. So this becomes root of 1 plus x whole square minus 1 square by x into root of 1 plus x plus 1. So this becomes 1 plus x minus 1 by x into root of 1 plus x plus 1. I am not writing limits, we are simplifying. So minus 1 plus 1 will get cancelled. What is the left over? X by x into root of 1 plus x plus 1. So x and x will get cancelled one time. Therefore, limit x tends to 0, 1 by root of 1 plus x plus 1. X value what I have to put? 0. So what will happen? 1 by root of 1 plus 0 plus 1. So 1 by 2. So what we have done? We have rationalized. Okay. Next. Sine of x cube minus 1. Limit x tends to 0. So this can be written. What is the a cube minus b cube formula? A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square means sine of x minus 1 by x minus 1 x square plus x plus 1. Why? A is nothing but so x square plus x plus 1 with the limits x tends to 1. So what will happen? Sine of x minus 1 by x minus 1 limit x tends to 1 into limit x tends to 1 plus 1. So sin theta by theta is 1 into 1 plus 1 plus 1. So 1 by 2. So here we have applied a cube minus b cube. In the previous one a square minus b square. Please note down this. Now look at the next two problems. Next three problems. By tan x minus a by x square minus a square. So tan of x minus a by x minus a, limit x tends to a by into 1 by x plus a, x tends to a. Here limit x tends to a. Tan theta by theta is 1 into 1 by a plus a, so 1 by 2a. We are applying tan theta by theta. Okay, next one. By x. X tends to 0. Again I am writing one formula. E power ax by x, limit x tends to 0 is a. What is the formula? E power ax minus 1 by x is what? A. So this becomes e power 7x minus 1 by x, limit x tends to 0 is 7. Whatever a value is there, that we have to put. Okay, now look at the next one, sir. E power 3 power x minus e cube by x, limit x tends to 0. Observe every problem, sir. That's why I said మీరు ఎన్నిసార్లు ఈ వీడియోస్ చూస్తే అంత మంచిది సార్, ఎందుకంటే ఎవ్రీ ప్రాబ్లం ఇస్ అ డిఫరెంట్ ప్రాబ్లం. నౌ దిస్ కెన్ బి రిటర్న్ e power 3 into e power x minus e cube by x. ఏం చేశాను? a power m plus n is a power m into a power n. So I wrote e power 3 into e power x. So I will take out e power 3 common, e power x minus 1 by x. So put the limit, e power 3 will be outside, limit x tends to 0, e power x minus 1 by x. So e power 3 into 1, e power 3. So we have put the limits. Next. Observe here. Correct. Pretty problem. Every problem is an important problem, sir. Now I will take out e power 3 common by x minus 3. So I have taken e power 3 common, so e power x by e cube will come because there is no e power 3, so it will come in the denominator. So e cube into e power x minus 3, because a power m by a power n is a power m minus n. So e power x minus 3 minus 1 by x minus 3. So very very important, remember here e power x minus 1 by x. Ikkada x unnadi sir, ikkada x undi. For example, here x minus 3 is there, here also x minus 3 is there, same thing is there. So here x tends to 3. So limit x tends to 3, this is e cube is as this, limit x tends to 3, e power x minus 3 minus 1 by x minus 3. So e power 3 into 1, e power 3. Understood? So here same concepts, అన్నిటికీ అదే చేస్తున్నాం సార్, ఓన్లీ స్మాల్ చేంజెస్ ఆర్ కమింగ్ హియర్. x minus 3 will come, so x minus 3 is a same thing, so it is 1 e cube. That's all. Note down this. Next. Okay, cos x by x minus pi by 2. So cos x by minus common, sir, pi by 2 minus x with minus sign. Okay, now cos x can be written sin of pi by 2 minus x by pi by 2 minus x, limit x tends to pi by 2, but there is a minus sign. So sin theta by theta is what, sir? 1. So this becomes minus 1, right? Next. By x, limit x tends to 0. Okay, e power sin x minus 1 by x. So this can be written, look at here what I am doing, e power sin x minus 1 by sin x, here into x, already x is there, extra what I am writing here, I am writing sin x, you have to write here sin x. So this becomes e power sin x minus 1 by sin x into sin x by x. What I have done, multiplied here, divide sin x, here also we have to multiply. So sin x and sin x will get cancelled, we will get back this. So put a limit, x tends to 0, limit x tends to 0. E power x minus 1 by x is always 1. Because whatever is there, sin x is there, here also sin x is there. So it is nothing but e power x minus 1 by x. So it becomes 1. Sin theta by theta already we know 1. What is the answer? Okay, so what I have done, multiply and divide by sin x. So sin x and sin x will get cancelled, we will get again the same problem. So what I have done, e power sin x minus 1 by sin x into sin x by x. Whatever we know always గుర్తుంచుకోండి సార్, ఇక్కడ x ఉంటే ఇక్కడ x ఉండాలి. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ e power tan x minus 1 by tan x, this also 1, whatever is here here. For example e power x minus 3 1 by x minus 3, ఇక్కడ x minus 3, ఇక్కడ x minus 3, this is also 1. So whatever value is there in the power, that should be there in the denominator, then this will be 1. ఇక్కడ ఏముంది పవర్ sin x, ఇక్కడ ఏముంది sin x, so this will be 1. Sin theta by theta we know very well 1. Okay, please note down this. Next, now look at here, sin of a plus bx minus sin of a minus bx by x. Now I am applying one formula, sin x sin c minus sin d is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. Which formula I am applying? 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. Here c means I am writing here 2 cos of c means a plus bx plus a minus bx by 2 sin of a plus bx, I am putting in a bracket, minus of a minus bx by 2 by x. So this becomes 2 cos of a plus bx plus a minus bx by 2 into sin of a plus bx minus a plus bx by 2 by x. So bx will get cancelled, a will get cancelled. Now look at here, 2 cos of 2a by 2 sin of 2bx by 2 by x. So now 2 into cos of a sin of bx by x. Now 2, I am applying limit. Now I am applying limit x tends to 0. So there is no limit for this. Enduku sir? There is no x here. Limit x tends to 0 sin of bx by x. Okay? This doesn't have any limit. So this has sin theta by theta is 1. But here bx is there, so b will come. We have done so many problems in this, into b. So 2b into cos a. So this formula, you have one a mirror must have told you, sin c minus sin d, 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. Apply that formula and simplify. Okay. Next, look at next problem. X tends to a. Now what I am doing here, observe here. By x square minus a square is x minus a into x plus a. X tends to a. So sin of x minus a by x minus a into tan of x minus a, limit x tends to a into 1 by x plus a. So what I have done, sin of x minus a by x minus a, tan of x minus a, then 1 by, means 3 parts. దీని కింద ఇది రాసాం సార్, tan ఒకటి రాసాం, 1 రాసాం. Now sin theta by theta 1 into tan of a minus a into 1 by a plus a. A minus a is 0, tan 0 is 1, 0 into 1 by 2a. 0 into anything is what, sir? 0. So x minus a we have taken, this will become 1. Tan of x minus a means a minus a is 0, so tan 0 is 0, 1 by 2a. So 0 multiplied by anything is 0. Okay, these type of problems are very, very important. We will continue next video.